To begin, get your controller and 2 AAA batteries. Please note that every headset we ship comes with 4 rechargeable AAA batteries. You can recharge and reuse them, so please don't throw them away accidentally. Press and pull down on the back of the controller to show the battery compartment. Remove the empty batteries and insert the new ones. Check carefully to make sure that the flat end of the battery lines up with the pyramid coil, and the protruding end of the battery lines up with the flat coil. If your controller isn't working properly, the first thing to double check is that your batteries are in the correct way. Once you're finished installing the batteries, click the compartment back together to get back to testing. You may need to pair your controller to the headset again by holding down the home button for 2 to 3 seconds. The rechargeable controller batteries may die quickly, often after only a day or 2 of use. We recommend that you always keep 2 of the 4 batteries charging and replace them every morning before testing. Please review the battery section of our user manual for more information on rechargeable and alkaline batteries. We have more videos available on our YouTube channel, and as always, you can email or call with a member of our team via the help page in your account.